Hello, in front of me I've got Porsche Panamera. In this video I'll show you if this car is worth buying in 2026. The 2016 Panamera 4S is still very desirable luxury performance car thanks to its solid V6 engine, all-wheel drive system and premium interior. It delivers sports car performance with everyday usability, accelerating to 100 km per hour in around 4.2–4.5 seconds depending on the version. However, running costs are significantly higher than average, including fuel, insurance and maintenance. The interior technology now feels dated compared to newer models. Still, if you want a powerful and luxurious used car with Porsche DNA, it remains a great choice. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.